Before me was producing baby teeth out of her vagina and then doing stories about
Can we just stop? These are too many things. There are too many things that haven't been unboxed here.
Well, I don't know much more than I'm telling you.
I'm just rewinding to how does someone do karaoke with their vagina?
Well, they sit in a chair.
Yep.
And then they play so lip syncing, I suppose they would. I didn't watch it. I didn't personally go and watch it because I was on at the same time. But she did pop into the dressing room I was sharing with her to piss in the bin because it was 20. She was doing 24 hours. So I was in the dressing room waiting to go on and play snooker against myself, and a woman came in and sat on a bin and pissed in it. And to be honest, that was the least offensive thing that happened. And then I played myself at snooker. For an hour.
I'm just trying to still keep in my mind that this is an arts festival.
It was about an hour, and some people came, I thought, some of my fans will come. About 4 of my fans came. And then the other people were either people who would come to see the other transgressive art or the other transgressive artists.
Yeah.
Loads of them walked out because it was too boring. And I thought, this is too transgressive for the people. I mean, the idea is it's irritating.
You should have done some charades with your foreskin or something.
You not even got your cock out, mate.
Yeah,
Get your cock out. Use it as a cue.
Yeah, replace the brown ball with the shit. Come on. We need something to get on board with here.
So I was
going to cut with it. At least play snooker with it.
I was too transgressive for the transgressive artist, but I got paid £350, and so I am a semi-professional, self-playing snookerist. And I told my wife one day I would get paid.
And then finally came out of the basement.
I'm in the attic now. So it was the basement before. But where were we? Let's talk a bit about you. So you won a competition quite early on. You started doing stand-up and you won. So you think you're funny? Yes. Was that quite early on?
That was 1998. Yeah.
So how long had you been going?
6 or 7 months.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah, it was very exciting.
Who did you beat your year in?
Who did I beat? Oh, God,
went on to be a big
final were... so Dan Antopolsky was in the final.
Oh, yes, he's good.
Carrie Quinlan.
Oh, yes, fantastic.
Reginald D. Hunter.
Wow.
A guy called Moz.
Okay.
Tim Barnes.
Oh, yes.
I can't remember after that.
Yeah, but you beat all of them.
But neither Reg or Dan were placed.
Oh, really?
So there was some administrative error and I won it. But, and Graham Norton was the host.